mga sisi ko! Welcome back to my new vlog. January 16, 2026. What time is it right now? 8:44 AM mga sisi ko. Nandito kami ngayon sa Sapaden Park. Mag-walking kami ng asawa ko. Hindi jogging kasi malamig. Negative 6 or 7?
Right now it's saying maybe 5, maybe 4, 5.
Oh, negative 4 or 5.
So it's certain, bro.
It's not certain
Because it's changing.
kung anong temperatura ngayon. Kasi yung pag-alis namin, natatandaan ko negative 6. So anyway, sure ko
Do you
lang.
want water, Marco?
Let's bring water.
Let's drink water, huh?
Yes, of course.
Okay, I'll get one.
Yes, thank you.
It's very cold.
Yes, mga sisi ko, nag-yellow yung tubig namin.
Almost frozen.
Kailangan ko magsuot ng gloves, malamig. Naka 3 layer ako ngayon mga sisi ko. Yung asawa ko, sariyan sa lamigan.
Here if you want.
Yeah, sure. Ayan mga sisi ko, antayin ko lang asawa ko. I-open ang door car. Nandito kami ngayon nag-park sa side ng restaurant ng Sabaden Park. Merci beaucoup. Okay. Here you go. Samahan nyo ako mga sisi ko. Ayan. Kami lang. Kasi masyado pang maaga. Mag-burn kami ng calorie. Kahit lakad-lakad lang. Malaking tulong din to. Mga 2 oras na lakaran. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan mga sisi ko. Lagas na ang mga dahon. Let's continue this way. Yes. On the left. Oh, careful. Walang katao-tao except sa aming dalawa ng aking asawa. Nararamdaman ko na agad yung sipon ko. Parang natulo.
Not many people. Actually,
Yes.
not at all. Nobody here.
Nobody here. Check ng asawa ko kung walang nang...
I want to check if there was somebody. I want to check if it's going around the car or something. Because there, you know, if you want to break in, there is the first place from the communist time. I guess this is one of them. You know. You know how I can know it's worker?
Why?
It's always the same. They have like a strong arm. They have like a cap on the worker cap on the top, and the children are like happy and going around the person. You see the legs like 7 times the size of normal.
Yes.
They always make the men in the communist monuments with like large legs, large arms, shoulders, broad shoulders.
Masculine.
Yeah, it's like propaganda, you know. Like the good communist worker, you know.
So, in-explain mga sisi ko ng asawa ko itong statue na yan.
Who is despising everything from the capital world. So communist right now. We're like capitalistic slaves.
Ay, mga sisi ko. It's my first time na nakita akong may aeroplanong nagdaan dito. Usually, wala ako nakikita.
Good that you drink a lot of.
Yes,
You can
I'm
put your
wearing
gloves. You want
3
to get
layer. Yes, I'm at Siman ko.
Yeah, the other one you want?
No, because I cannot hold my phone.
You want drink water?
Not yet, maybe
Yeah,
later.
yeah. To
It's
be honest,
too
it's cold.
early.
Let's see. You want to go on the main road or the smallest?
Doesn't matter.
Okay, I think let's go from there. It's
Yeah.
bigger.
And later, we're gonna strolling the area.
Stroll, yeah, whatever you say. I think this is the main road, the main pathway, again, just against us. And on the left, I think the small valleys that might visit.
Kaya mga sisi ko, kapag summer, may mga nagpipiknik dyan. Kapag mayroon kayong pagkain. Nadala, pwede kayo dyan. Mag-picnic. Share ko lang.
It's good for picnic, yeah.
Yeah, it's good for picnic.
It's not, I think
Maybe just only...
No, they're burnt out.
Oh, that's bad.
I think they're burnt. But
Yes. For season, mahal ko, I love the best is spring. How about you? What do you like? Spring, summer, autumn, winter.
I think winter is my favorite.
Favorite niya daw yung winter. But it's cold.
Well, I like winter, not the coldest winter. I mean, normal winter.
Especially if
Like,
Christmas, right?
yeah, for example, yeah, I don't like, let's say, go outside and it's minus 30, right? But,
Yes, yes.
but I mean, around the zero is fine. Nice
Makes
weather.
sense.
Like minus 10 during the cold days, minus 20 maybe, depending
Mhm.
on the day.
Mag-dance ka.
But that's good. Was that
Plus
kids play?
stash ka.
Playground.
Playground.
But actually, we're lucky because
Ayan mga sisi ko. Kapag summer, maraming siya nakaupo. Nagpapahinga after nila maglakad-lakad. Maraming tao din na gusto nila summer dito sa bansang Bulgaria. Mga sisi ko, nakaisang oras na tayong kakaalakad. Ayan, yung train papuntang Pernik. Let's go. Malapit na tayong umuwi. Malapit na pala kayong umuwi. Patapos na kami. Nalakad na natin yung hop. Hop of this park. Pupunta na kami sa sa car. Hindi ko na kaya. Ano na yung aking sipon tumutulo. Number back dito sa sasakyan. Kasi nakikita niya yung ilong kong kulay red na. Super lamig. Oh. Punta kami ng mall. Bibili kami sa DM and later after mall punta kami ng supermarket. Whew. Here you go. Nakalimutan pa ng asawa ko yung cellphone so wala siyang navigation. Do you want to use my phone?
you don't have the application.
I can download
No,
if you want.
can, but
Are you sure? Final?
I'll walk around. Don't
Final
worry.
answer? Left, right. Okay, careful. Alam niyo ba nga sisi ko maganda talaga maglakad-lakad, especially morning. Para ma-refresh, ma-refresh yung katawan. Meditation kumbaga mga sisi ko. Kasi for example, kung stress ka sa trabaho, sa tao, may dinaramdam ka, kailangan natin ng exercise or pahinga. Especially nasa ibang bansa tayo, nararamdaman natin yung anxiety. To be honest, hindi ko nararamdaman yung homesick dito. Ang nararamdaman ko, anxiety at depression. Kasi hirap akong makisalamuha sa tao. Ayun ang problema ko. As Filipina living in Bulgaria. Buti na lang may asawa ko dito na sumusuporta sa akin. Pero kung siguro kung FW ako, my goodness, mababaliw ako. Pero hindi ko mamimiss yung Pinas. So, abaliw lang ako sa salita, pakikisalamuha, ganong bagay. Kasi yung nasa Pinas ako, bahay, trabaho lang talaga ako. Hindi ako mahilig gumala. Siguro, mas komportable akong manatili sa bahay kahit cellphone lang gamit ko, makinig ng radyo, TV, kaya ko. Kahit walang labasan isang buwan, kayang-kaya ko yun. Isang buwan, 2 buwan, 3 buwan, komportable ako sa ganung bagay. Pero dahil nandito tayo sa bansang Bulgaria, as a foreigner, ayan yung na-experience ko. Kayo ba? As a foreigner sa ibang bansa, anong mga nararamdaman nyo or na-experience? Share below sa comment section mga sisi ko.